My name is Akshay. I am studying in 19th year. This page is Neela. This project name is Raindrop Sensor. Title Automatic Rain Detection Smart Roof for Classness. Introduction The Automatic Rain Detection Smart Roof for Classness is an innovative system designed to provide a convenient system solution that provide a convenient, efficient solution. The, the brain class outdoor rain sensor, Arduino board, buzzer, servo motor, jumper wires, power supply.
Working principle. The rain sensor detects rain and a signal sends a signal to the control unit. The control unit processes the signal and activities the motors the motors the motors retract to retract or covers the the sig-
Thus,
the signal to protect the class from rain. Once the rain stops and sends a signal to the unit respond res, which respond roof
Futures automatic rain detection and response, waterproof, waterproof and durable to the smart roof, smart adjective cloth line for various clothing types, energy efficient to low low maintenance, low comfortable with solar power of PCO French lines, remote remote monitoring and and smartphone app operational benefits.
applications automatic rain detection system weather meditation agriculture automation smart home system.
thank you.
Thank you.